dance in the club when there's like no room to move. You just kind of keep your feet still because there's no room to move. You just kind of.
Don't move your feet.
Don't move your feet around. Whoa, sorry. Because if you bump into anyone, it's a big deal. Like people get
They might
upset.
think you're sexually
People get upset about that shit. So you just kind
And then you might have to throw down.
yeah, okay, dice move.
Oh, the joint dance.
The Jello dance.
That's it. That's all there is.
What's the Jello
Oh my
dance?
god, I'm laughing.
You just can't move your feet. Yeah, there you go. That'll work.
He's sober. Okay.
It was the to get the food down. Like after you eat a lot
that's when
and
you
need
get
the food to go down.
Is that when
You
you
do
do
that.
all you can eat barbecue?
Yeah.
Wouldn't that make the food come up?
Yeah, I feel like that would make my food.
Well, you're going the opposite direction then. You have to make sure you're gyrating the right way. Hey, easy rule of thumb is put your hand. This means it goes up. This means it goes down.
Stop.
Oh, now you're being all physical and stuff.